Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create polls on WhatsApp. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the WhatsApp on your screen and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, we need to open a chat to create a poll. Mostly, users use this feature in the WhatsApp groups and channels. So let me open a group chat. Here, next to the message bar, tap on the attachment icon. And then from this menu, select the last option, which is poll. Type your question that you want to ask and then add options accordingly. Once you are done, from the bottom right side, tap on the arrow icon and the poll is created and posted into the chat group. You can see the results by tapping on view votes, and that's it. This is how you can create polls on WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.